assisting pump. A lot of people don't know what an assisting pump. We show it to you so you see it. This is the collecting exhaust system. The 4 exhaust for 4 piston engine, the smoke, and gets out to the exhaust. Exhausting collector, yeah. To measure the temperature of the air and put it back into the engine to control the gasoline consumption. Yeah. This the clutch fork, the clutch plate fork. When you push it, it opens the clutch fork. This is an electric device to function the air condition usually in the Volkswagen and the Audi. Yeah. This is gas oil injectors. This is the outlet. This is the input, gasoline and electric wire. Another type of injector. Gasoline injectors. We try to show you the maximum, at least you know what it looks like. This is the oil gauge pressure, the oil pressure gauge. It gives you the quantity of the oil found into the engine. Yeah. It measures the quantity of oil into the engine, whether we have a lot of oil or a little of oil, or the minimum thermostat. There's a thermostat for with this ring. Its function is to keep the water off until the engine gets 90 degrees. At that time, it opens and the water circuit started turning into the engine. Some people wouldn't like to use this part, they take it off, but it's not good for the engine. For example, the human copper is 37 degrees and it is regulated by the different parts of the body. It's the same thing of the engine. So if the temperature goes beyond 80 degrees Fahrenheit, this is the water pump. With this turbine, it turns the water to get into the water system into the engine. In and out, you see, this is the water pump. This is water pump. I'll really try to show you all kinds of different parts of the engine of a car. This is the magneto. This distributes current for old cars, but now things have changed a lot since that time. But now it's different. This is the horn. A lot of people don't know what the horn is. They hear the sound of the horn, but they don't know where the sound is going from. This is the outlet meter for the pressure, the quantity of air getting into the engine. That regulates the consumption of the gasoline. This is gasoline pump. Usually it's out of the gas oil tank, used in the old cars, old technology. This is the gasoline gauge. We've never seen it. It's always into the gasoline tank, but this is the first time you see it. So it's empty, now it's full. Empty, full. Empty, full. So the quantity of gas, oil, gasoline.